So the other side of templates is that you may build something that you want to share with the world, that other people copy. Maybe with the world, maybe with just your friends, whatever you want to do. If you want to share it, they make it pretty easy. So at the top of any page you're on, there's a share button. So click that as a good start, and then we want to share it to web, publish and share the link with anyone. So we'll click on that. And then this creates a few more things. Allow editing. Well, I don't want people to edit this page of mine. You could do that and let other people come and edit if you had a group project kind of thing. Allow comments. You may want to do, probably not. This is the key one here, though. Allow duplicate as template. You saw in the last lesson where we were able to click duplicate to pull it in our own. It's because this is intentionally checked. So you can duplicate as template. And then the last one is to allow search engine indexing. This is so almost you want to make this into your own little website where Google could see it and perhaps bring people to it. So if you're on the personal pro plan, you could actually upgrade to that. But in this case, share to web and allow duplicate as template. And then if I just copy that link there, I can now share that link wherever I want. I could post it in my blog. I could share it on social media. I could say, hey, everyone, here's my great template. Click this link and get it. When they come to it, they can click duplicate and make it their own as well.